Hi friends, my name is Sanatan from Bangalore. I came to Hyderabad for Kranthi Keen Coaching. I got today a chapter articles in English. I am going to explain about articles. Articles. So articles, there are kind of three articles are there. A and the. The article and a are called indefinite articles and article the is called definite articles. Then the article and is used before vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. There are five vowels. Article and is used before vowels. There are some vowels like and, however. Here we will not pronounce H. We will pronounce however because H is silent here. And then article the is used before religion books and rivers or some place names. For example, the Bhagavad Gita is a holy book. Here, Bhagavad Gita is a holy book. Then the article will come. Article am is indefinite. So it can be placed before a noun. Article a is also indefinite, but article the is not. Article the we can pronounce before the noun. Noun's name. For example, Sahash, Sanatan. This is called noun. Pronoun. Pronoun he, she, it. They are called pronoun. Adjective. Adjective describes adjective of quality, quantity, and number. So quality means I am I wore he wore a beautiful dress today. So beautiful is adjective of quality. Then adjective of number. I am studying sixth class. Sixth. Sixth is a number. So it's called adjective. Then pronoun. Pronoun which is placed between noun. For example, in on. The cat is under the table. Under is a preposition. Then adverb. Adverb which the word adds ly. Ly verbs are called adverb. Verb. Verb means did, do, like that. So noun is a naming word which describes place. Place, thing, or something which is important is described by noun. Animals, that a tiger. So the tiger is a noun. Then collective noun. There are five kinds of noun. Collective noun means which can be collective. Like for example, the fleet of ships. Here the fleet, the group of ships is called fleet. Then countable noun is that which we can count, like numbers. Numbers, a specific number we can count. Then we go to pronoun. Pronoun which describe before the noun. He, she, it, she. For example, Raju is a good boy, but next we should not bring Raju. We should bring he is a good boy and he wrote today's exam. Then go to adjective. Adjective which describes something about noun. For example, adjective of quality, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, adjective of quantity. Pour me a glass of water. Here, adjective of quantity, glass. Then, verb which describes an action. He is running. He is playing. Here, ing means form of verb. Adverb which the word which it's called lastly ly. Play. He is always. A word which describes a word is verb which called as uh, adverb. Conjunction which joins two sentences with one. And for example, he is taking coaching for Navodaya and Sainik. Here and is a conjunction. So, like me, do you want to learn to Kranthi Keen Coaching Center? Admission is open. Thank you.